And baby Kali's name. Kalia Avery Puna Paristroki.
Wow.
Ano palawin yan? Lang po ha. Do not remove your hands. Opo. Okay po. May massage.
Yay! So we are here na sa A&J Photo Studio. Yan si Caius. To have our little Kali's newborn photo shoot and family photo shoot. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you ready to have a photo shoot with baby Kali?
Yeah.
Baby Kali is sleeping pa.
Sleeping pa.
Oh. Ayun si Mama La eating lunch.
Eating lunch.
And si Daddy.
Ayan.
Yan. So, inabot na kami ng lunch kasi 1:30 yung appointment namin for the photo shoot. So, ganyan lang siya. Ano nga yan? Studio na bahay na ginawang studio.
There's Groot. There's Groot.
Where's Groot?
There.
Ayun si Groot.
He's
Kita kaya nila?
hiding.
He's hiding.
Because there's car.
There's car. Bakit takot ba si Groot sa car?
He's not moving.
It's not moving. Display lang kasi yan, be. That's just a display. Nasaan ba si Groot?
wood.
Ayun pala si Groot, oh.
Groot is a
Ginawang,
wood.
Plant box.
Plant box. Okay. You say, see you later, love.
See you later, Groot.
Groot! Okay. Are you ready na?
I want to see Groot. Auntie is there. There's Groot. It's a plant box.
Where? Okay, go to Groot. Go to Groot. Go.
He's hiding. He's not moving.
Were you afraid?
No.
It's not moving naman. You can go. You can touch. Dali. Go na. I thought you want to try touching Groot. Hello, Groot.
It's a plant box.
The plant box, yeah.
Hiding.
Oh, let's go now. Let's go.
I go here. Here.
Go.
Hi!
Hello.
Ayan na, may pang-vlog na si ma'am.
Hello, ate.
Vlog.
Si ating photographer natin. Sleeping ang little girl. You watch baby there lang, ha? Huwag ka na bababa, ha? Okay? Diyan ka lang, ha?
Okay.
Okay, behave kayo ni daddy, ha?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, baby.
What's your baby sister's name?
And baby Kali's name. Kalia Avery Puna Paristroki.
Wow.
What is your full
How about you, Da? What's your full name?
Kai.
Full name?
Kayu Sedgewa Puna Paristroki.
Oh. Okay. There's Kali na. Look at Kali, be, oh. Ganyan ka dati, eh.
Ito kakalit dati, kuya.
Pandemic siya, eh. So, sa bahay din yung photoshoot niya. Caius, oh. Caius taking BTS. So, ito ang studio ni Ma'am Abby. So, yan. Dasmariñas, Cavite lang. So, yan. So, yung bahay ginawa nilang studio. Super cute. Ito, super kulit.
Ito super cute.
Ito, super cute naman.
Pretty. Inagat niya talaga yan. lang. Ang kita lawin niya. Ang puti-uti naman. Gusto mo, ma'am?
Oo.
Binawasan ko yan. Super cute. Excuse me, baby.
Excuse me, kuya.
Thank you, kuya. Thanks for listening. Good job. High five. Thank you for listening. What did you say? Is she pretty?
Pretty
Yes.
baby.
Pretty baby. Thank you.
Kayus and baby's
Yes,
turn.
Good job. Yeah, Kayus turn. Alright. Okay, lumalayo pa sa akin. Huwag ka lagi. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Closer daw, closer.
Closer. Wow, so pogi. Okay, listen to me now.
Kuya.
Listen to me. Give you the baby and hold the baby there.
Pag lang.
Pag only. Gentle lang po ha. Do not remove your hands. Opo.
Okay po.
Okay po. Hold her tight. Opo. Tight po. Tight. Okay, then look at me. Smile ha. Okay. Do not remove your hands unless ate say okay po. Yes po. Good job. Look here. Good job. Look. Don't remove your hands. Okay. Show your teeth. Show me your happy face. Okay, aching! How about kiss the baby? Kiss the baby here. Kiss mo si baby. Kiss. Love, love. Love, love. Job, kuya. Listen to ate only again. Okay po?
Wow, very good, kuya. Wow!
Chin up, chin up. Good job.
Sa umingakit daw.
Hug mo si baby, hug. Oh, ganda. Oh, so sweet, kuya. Good job, kuya. You're so sweet and pogi. More. More. Good job, kuya. Good job.
Last set na. Kali, you're so very good. Still sleeping. Still sleeping si Kali, be? How about Kayus? Still makulit? Oh, no.
Yeah.
Kuya is makulit. So, yan. So, last set na. Dan na din yung family photos. Kayus repeating what mommy is saying. Si Kuya Damon. Si Kuya Damon. Isa lang yung entry niya. Isa lang. So, yan. Dede number 1 and
Dede number 2.
Dede number 2. The tipid and the gastos.
One more. Kiss more.
One more.
Longer.
Stay lang. Stay lang daw, stay lang.
Kiss.
Longer. You go up lang. Go up eh. Up pa, konti. Up pa.
Then look at me.
Almost done na. Si Kayus.
Last shot na.
Si Kayus ay sleepy na. Ay, sleepy na?
Lala!
Ayan. So, si Kali. Konti na lang, Kali. Konti na lang, ate. Good job, si Kayus. Good job. Very good job.
No.
Good job.
Diyan eh. Magaganda ang shots ni Kuya and ni Kali. Yes?
Yes!
Yes. Ay, bumigay na. Bumigay na. Yan. So, natapos na. Nakatulog na si Kuya Kayo.
Ito ba tulog yan?
Itong tulog. Napagod na.
Ito ba yan?
Yan. Done na. Yay.
Nakita na natin. Paanda lang ito.
Ayan. So, sleeping na talaga ang ating kuya. Napagod na talaga.
Lobat na.
Paano? Puro daldal at saka
Akit
puro
baba.
akit baba. So, yan.
Picture ako lang kayo paano.
So, konting details na lang. Detailed shots. Ang lola, ay, supportive lola. So, yan.